Hi everyone and welcome to my video. In this video I show you how to change the default action when you insert USB key or an SD card in Windows. In Windows 7, click the Start button. In the search box type Autoplay, click Autoplay, and then choose what you want for the device you want. Here I'm choosing for pictures to ask me every time, and for video files too. And when I connect my tablet and my iPhone also, I'm telling the computer to ask me every time what to do. Click on Save, and I inserted an SD card in the computer, and here is the result. It's asking me what I want to do with this SD card. In Windows 10, so in the search box, type Autoplay and choose Autoplay settings. You have only two options in Windows 10. Make sure that Autoplay is on, and then on the removable drive and memory card. For both of them here, I chose Ask Me Every Time. And you don't have to click on Save, just close the box, and I inserted an SD card, and here is the result. It's asking me what happens with the removable drives. And I can choose which action I want. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you all for watching.